So something interesting just happened in the EV world. The FAW-Toyota bZ5 just rolled off the production line in Tianjin, China. That's Toyota's joint venture with FAW, and this isn't just any new car. This is the 12 millionth vehicle made at their new energy vehicles plant. Yeah, 12 million. Now, the bZ5 is a fully electric SUV, and it's launching officially in June, but pre-sales actually started last month. There are two versions of the bZ5. Both have a CLTC range of 550 kilometers, but one is the standard model, priced at $18,000 US. The other is a bit more advanced, with L2 driving assistance, and that one's $22,200 US. If you're wondering how production is going over there between January and April, the factory cranked out 35,900 vehicles. That's a 34% jump compared to the same time last year, not bad. Now, let's talk about the actual car. The bZ5 is built on Toyota's e-TNGA platform. That's their EV-focused design. It's 4,780 millimeters long, 1,866 millimeters wide, and 1,510 millimeters tall, with a 2,880 millimeters wheelbase. It sits on big 21-inch wheels. Under the hood, well, actually under the floor, you get a front-mounted electric motor making 200 kilowatts, or about 268 horsepower. And here's the fun part. The batteries are from BYD's Blade series, provided by their FinDreams unit. Here are two battery options. One is 65.28 kilowatt hours for that 550 kilometer range, and the other is 73.984 kilowatt hours, which bumps the range up to 630 kilometers. When it comes to tech, the bZ5 is packed. It uses the Momenta 5.0 system for urban driving assistance. That's L2 level, by the way. There are 33 sensors, yep, 33, including roof lidar, 5 radars, and 7 cameras. Toyota says this system can handle over 30 different autopilot features like smart parking, remote parking, and, of course, Toyota Safety Sense. Oh, and it's got 9 airbags throughout the cabin for safety. Inside, it's bold, literally. There's a red interior, a 15.6-inch floating touchscreen, a wide LCD instrument panel, and a huge panoramic sunroof, 1.44 square meters to be exact. They claim it blocks almost all UV and infrared rays. The sound system? 10 JBL speakers. You also get AI face recognition, in-car video calls, and 256 color ambient lighting to set the mood. So yeah, FAW-Toyota is bringing some serious game with the bZ5. Affordable price, decent range, and loaded with features. If you want more updates like this, hit that subscribe button, tap like, and stay tuned for more.